everyone, welcome to an IKEA furniture and children section look around video. Today I'm going to IKEA to check out the furniture and kids section. I will show you what's available and the prices so you can get a good idea before you visit. So let's go to the furniture section first. As I entered, I saw this roller which is very useful for cleaning up suits and blazers. The price is also reasonable, only 99 cents. There are also these scented candles which are 2.99 each. I have never purchased scented candles from IKEA. I typically buy them from Bath & Body. Please share your experiences with IKEA scented candles in the comment section. These colorful napkins, they are also $2.99 and there's 50 of them in each pack. So I think it's a reasonable price. What's best about IKEA is their pre-designed rooms, which gives me a lot of decoration ideas. Every bit of the decorated products can be found in the store or online. You can see everything has a tag and that mentions their price. How much is it for? Like this kitchen hood, it's $11.99 plus tax. Then there's chopping boards, sink, racks, everything has its price, the lights. So if you like anything from here, even the cups, the decorations, the flower vase or anything like that, if you like anything, you can just check the price. If you want to buy it, you need to look in the label for the location of that product. So it is the best thing about IKEA because it's just one store which has everything that you will need for your home. But the sad reality is the products that you see here, the furnitures and chairs, tables, these are not cheap. I compared with other furniture stores as well. IKEA is not cheap anymore. Though their products might look very simple and not that expensive, when I check the price, it's really high for that kind of a product. Some of the things like maybe the lights or some of the things like glasses, flower vase, these are comparatively cheap, but the furnitures are really expensive. Comment below if you think that your opinion matches with mine regarding IKEA furnitures. I just saw sewing machine this time at IKEA and also a nice table chair for that machine. There's also shelves or racks for your sewing necessities. I just got mine from Temu, guys. I don't know if it is a good idea to buy from Temu, but if you want, I can share it after I use that sewing machine. In Canada, it's really helpful if you know how to sew your own clothes, as tailoring is expensive. I found some tailors who charge less, but there were some bad reviews like clothes went missing or the sewing was not up to the mark. I really like this patio or backyard chair and table set, but just look at the price. Each chair is $100 plus tax and the table is for $169 plus tax. In my opinion, that's way too much to spend on outdoor furnitures. I'm looking for a table with height adjustment option. Since I have a desk job and sit for about 10 hours a day, it's been causing a lot of back pain. I would like to be able to raise the table and work while standing from time to time. If you guys know anywhere where I can find this height adjustable table with an a good price, let me know so that I can order that from there. If you have bought it from Amazon or you have bought it from any stores in Canada, let me know or comment below so that I can go and check that out. Thank you so much. As I mentioned earlier, I really enjoy seeing the different showcased rooms in IKEA, each styled with their own products. It really helps promote their products a lot. In the middle section of the store, they display all the related kitchen items and cutlery sets. I really like this storage containers. This is a really good size for storing my oats and nuts. So I will be taking 2 of these. As I was looking, this 3-tier tray caught my eyes. It is in a reasonable price. It's $14.99 plus tax, which seems reasonable, and it's super nice as well, and unique, so I liked it. This is the section of sofas and pillows. Personally, I'm not a big fan of IKEA's sofa designs. They are quite basic considering the price. Like for example, this red sofa, it is for $4.99 plus tax, and then you have to buy all the pillows extra, which will add to the value. So behind this one sofa, you probably need to spend more than $600. For my home, I ended up getting a sofa bed from Ashley instead. It converts into a queen size bed when needed, which really helps save space. I'm just trying to show all the prices of their sofas, and let you guys decide if that's expensive or that's reasonable enough. But in my opinion, I don't think the sofa should be priced that high, because the designs are not that unique. It's pretty simple, and then the sofa only comes by itself. It doesn't come with anything other than only the sofa. You have to buy the pillows extra, so I don't think it actually should be that much of a price. And when you actually go for buying your furniture, mostly sofas, because if you have children, sofas will be used so much. Please try to find sofas that has machine washable pillow covers, or the pillows they can be used both sides, it actually increases the durability of your sofa. This is the section of TV stands. I really like those floating TV stands that are quite popular now. So if you wall mount a TV, then you can have a floating TV stand. In IKEA, I didn't see much option for the floating TV stands because most of the TV stands has legs, and whichever didn't have, they are quite wide, so floating TV stands need to be a little narrow so that it looks nice. I just added a picture so that you can actually see what I'm looking for. So this kind of looks like that, but it had some slight problems in the door because these doors are magnetic, and I feel that if I open and close too many times, then it can have a problem in the future. IKEA offers some nice dining tables, many of which can extend or fold to save space. Nowadays, condos are so little, you need this kind of convertible furnitures to use your space properly. Like these colorful bowls from IKEA. They are cheap, only about $2 for 6 bowls. I also bought the full set with matching plates, cups, and cutleries. Um, my child loves them because they come in many fun colors. Every time we eat, my kid picks a different color plate or cup. It makes mealtime more fun. These dishes are also safe from microwave, so I can heat up food easily. They are also drop safe, so yes, definitely recommended for toddlers. I'm getting this tool because I am currently potty training my toddler. It will help him reach the toilet and the sink on his own, which will make things easier for both of us. Instead of buying a separate potty chair, I actually got a small toilet seat that fits on top of our regular toilet. I personally think it's easier to teach him to use the actual toilet from the beginning. In this way, he doesn't have to learn twice, first on a small potty, then again on a big toilet. This opinion actually varies from person to person. Some will prefer starting with a potty chair, but for me, this method saves time actually, and my kid will get used to a real toilet from the beginning, and I will not have to wash a different potty after he is done. So yeah, for that reason I actually started with the real toilet. And this tool will also be helpful because he will be able to climb up safely and learn to be more independent. I prefer this tool rather than the ladder that comes with the toilet seat. So I just bought a normal toilet seat without any ladder or anything, and buying this tool separately. I found this cute hangers in the children's section. These are tiny for children's clothes, and so colorful. I really like these hangers, but right now we don't have a separate closet for my kid, so when he will need a separate closet, I will buy these hangers. So not for now, for future. These are the closets that I found in the children's section. I saw some of the closets had like 4 sections, and some of the closets had like 2. Some of them also had some dryers for some tiny useful things. IKEA has some development toys. I saw this calculator which was so realistic. I already got this train track assembly toy for my toddler, and he plays with it every other day. I saw a lot of soft toys for kids, especially because kids throw a lot of toys, it's safe to give them soft toys and get used to playing with toys and pretend playing and everything, and then when they get a little older, give them hard toys like the train tracks. They are made of wood, so they are really hard. If any kid throws toys, they will get hurt, or they will break some stuffs of your home. So better understand your kid and then give it to them. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and got a good idea of the furniture prices, styles and models available at IKEA. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye for now.